So here we shall explain the concept of universal set with some examples. Mm, So a universal set is the superset of some sets in a particular concept. Okay. So in some cases, we have to deal with the elements and the subsets of a basic set which is relevant to a particular context. Is relevant to which is relevant to that particular context, or we can say which is relevant to a particular context. So it means that okay, and this basic set is called the universal set, and this basic set is called the universal set. So the rule is that the universal set is a is the superset of some of all the subsets. So the universal set is a superset of all the subset or all the sets, superset of all the sets which are given in a particular context, For example, if we say that one set A is there, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B is there, which is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and some set C is given as 5, 7, 8. So then we have to consider one set, which is the universal set, which is the superset of all these sets ABC. So in this particular context, the universal set can be taken as, so the universal set is always represented by capital U. Okay? So here U, so A should be the subset of U also, and B also should be subset of U. B also should be subset of U, and C also should be subset of U. So it means that the universal set is the superset of all these given sets. So the universal set can be taken as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These we can take. Hence why A is then subset of U, B is also subset of U, C is also subset of U. Or we can take U as the set of all natural numbers. Set of all natural numbers, which is N. So we can take U as N also. Then, for example, then one more example we can say, suppose if we have the set A, which is given as X, such that X is greater than 1 and less than or equal to 3, and X belongs to R. And the set B is, suppose, all those Y such that Y is greater than or equal to 2 and less than 5. And X belongs to, and Y belongs to R. R is the set of all real numbers. Y belongs to R. Then the universal set U can be taken as the set A union B, which is, we can take all those X such that X is greater than 1 and less than 5, where X belongs to R. So this can be taken as the universal set. We can also write it in the interval form, which is 1 to 5. The set B also can be written in the interval form as 2 to 5. Closed 2 is closed interval since 2 is included. And here also A can be written as 1 to 3. Here 3 is included, but 1 is excluded. So 1 to 5 we can take, or we can say the set U as R. That is set of all real numbers. That also we can take. So it means that if two sets are given A and B, and we are being asked to find the universal set for these some set U, which we have to consider as the universal set, then we can take A union B also, or A union B also, you can take it as U, or here U can be taken as R also. R also. So here A is a subset of the universal set, and B is also subset of universal set. So it means U is the U, which is the universal set, is the superset of all the given sets in a particular context. So the universal set is the a superset in a particular context. Or we can say that the given sets are subsets of the universal set. So it means we can say that in a particular context, all the given sets are subsets of the universal set. So hope you have understood the concept of universal set. Thank you.